Man, it's been a while. And as you can see, kind of changed things up. Not really, but just a little bit. Just trying to get a different look, different feel. That's all. But that's being said, what we're here to talk about today is, well, it's June. That means it's summertime. And that means we're going to talk about the 3 things artists need to do to improve their skills over the next 3 months. Sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Let's go. What's up, fam? It's your boy DKG72, and yes, I am back finally after a bit of a hiatus, which I was just busy, y'all. So I'm back, and this video right here, we're actually going to be talking about the 3 things artists need to do and just need to have in order to improve their skills over the summer. So it's going to get a little meta, a little bit, just a little bit. But I think it's going to give you guys a lot to chew on and a lot to think about. And hopefully this will motivate you to get up, get out, and go create something this very moment as soon as you watch this video. That's my hope. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the very first thing that you guys are going to need in order to improve your skills over the summer is motivation. Self-motivation. In fact, work ethic, self-motivation, work ethic, drive, whatever you want to call it. You need that to get started, because if you don't have that to begin with, all of this is for naught. So you're going to have to be able to self-motivate yourself. Nobody's going to tell you to do this. Nobody's going to force you to do this. You have to be able to push yourself to want to become a better artist. And that right there is going to make you a better artist right off the bat. Obviously, being able to self-assess, figure things out, so on and so forth. Those things are also important. But if you don't have self-motivation, you don't have that drive, none of this is going to work. Now, the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need time. Now, time comes in 2 different packages for some of us. Some of us are going to have a lot of time. Some of us are going to have 1,000,001 things to do, and we have to find time. So let me talk to my folks that got to find time. What you're going to have to do over the summer is you're going to have to find at least you an hour, 40 minutes, something like that every day to try to improve your artwork. That way you'll be on task. Now, for my guys that have plenty of time, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to maximize your time, which means you're going to have to try to get in as much artistic effort, skill building as possible. Don't waste a minute. If you've got it, don't lose it. Use it. That's my big takeaway from that. And the very last thing that you guys are going to need is really related to a question that I get all the time. Parents are always asking me, hey, what does my kid need to improve the art skills? What do I need? Do they need Photoshop? Do they need a big computer? Do they need a tablet? Do they need Procreate? And all of that is well and good. But the most important thing that you're going to need as an artist are these: a pencil and a paper. Well, some paper. Not a paper, some paper, lots of paper. It doesn't matter. Pencil and paper is really all you need. And if you're a painter, then obviously something to paint on, brushes, that type of stuff. But all you need is the very simplest tools to improve your art. Because again, this is about practice.
We talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice.
But this is about practice, and the more practice that you get, the better you're going to become. And honestly, just simple pencil and paper is all you need to improve over the summer as an artist. All right, fam. So I hope that did help you guys out at least a little bit. Remember, the things that you're going to need. You're going to need drive, self-motivation, because nobody's going to do this but you. And you have to be able to self-evaluate and figure out the things that you need to work on, and you need to focus on those things. Then you're going to need time. Now, again, time comes in two compartments. There are those of us that have little time. There are those of us that have a lot of time. For my people that have a little time, because you got a million and one things going on this summer, you're going to have to find at least an hour every day to work on your skills. For my people that have a lot of time, you're going to have to maximize that time to get in as much practice as possible. And then the last thing, obviously, is that you're going to need just a pencil and paper at the very least to work on your skills. And you'll be amazed just what you can do with just a pencil and paper. So we're going to be talking about a lot of other things. I've got a nice little challenge video coming up for you guys. I think that you're going to like. And I think you guys are going to like this new setup a little bit. We're going to be talking about a lot of different things that are important to artists and are important for artists as well. So look for more videos. We're going to be dropping every Wednesday moving forward. Can't wait for you guys to see this one. With that being said, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Share this video all over the internet. And I guess that's it. It's your boy DKG72. I'm out. Peace.